Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to PDQ Connect. Today, we're moving on to Step 2, how to create an ePortfolio. First, go to learning.cambridgeinternational.org and log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your online learning dashboard. From here, click on the PDQ Connect tile to enter PDQ Connect. In our previous session, we covered how to create a portfolio, and I used teaching and learning as an example. If you had any trouble with that, please watch the previous video. The link is in the description. Remember, your portfolio must be tailored to your course. For example, if you're doing educational leadership or digital technology, choose the appropriate portfolio type. Also, make sure to click Create first, and then select Copy Collection. This will ensure that all the unit pages are selected at once. Now, let's dive into your portfolio. Click on the provided link to get started. You'll be taken to the first page of your ePortfolio, titled Cambridge International Certificate in Teaching and Learning Portfolio Overview. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation links for the different pages of your portfolio, such as Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. In the center of the page, you'll see the Candidate Requirements box. Make sure to carefully read and answer the questions listed here. Below that, you'll find the Educational Context box, which also contains important questions to answer. So, how do you edit these sections? On the right side of the page, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Click on this pencil icon to enter Edit mode. Once you're in Edit mode, you'll notice that each box, like the Candidate Requirements or Educational Context, has its own pencil icon, allowing you to edit each one individually. Now, hover over any block, and you'll see that you can resize or reposition the blocks as needed. Be careful not to click the Delete icon. Doing so will remove all the information in that block. Let's start by editing the Candidate Requirements block. Click on its Edit button, the pencil icon. When you do, a new pop-up window will appear from the right side, allowing you to write your answers. Leave the questions as they are, and scroll down to the last question or bullet point. Press Enter twice to create some space, and then start typing your answers to the listed questions. Once you've finished, scroll down and click the Save button to save your work. The text you just entered will now be displayed in the Candidate Requirements box. Follow the same steps for the Educational Context section. Since this information is specific to you, you'll be able to easily fill it out. I will share a sample with you later, but for now, write your own answers. That's how you edit your portfolio overview. Pretty simple, right? I'm confident that you understand each step. However, if you run into any issues, rewatch this video and follow along. Remember, this process is the foundation for the next 5 months, so practicing now will make things easier as you progress through the course. If you still have questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Finally, when you're done editing, look for the screen icon on the right side of the page and click on it to exit Edit mode. Now, take a look at your portfolio to see the changes you've made. Once finished, click on the Online Learning Dashboard link at the top of the page to return to your home page. That's all for today. After you complete this step, I'll guide you through Step 3 in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.